Bloody hell. And follow it out. Hey. That is where we are going. That is the view up the hill from the holiday place. Here we have the Fellowship of the Ring. Right, it's gonna go. Let's see how. Okay. Didn't think that would happen. Let's see how much is in the other Wally. This is what it looks like this morning. It is even stormy. Look at the waves over there. I'm telling you now, this place never usually has waves like that. You can't see the horizon again, and you can see how choppy the sea is. It's even more choppier than it was yesterday. Ridiculous, look at it. It's so much more stormier than it was yesterday. And I am out in it. Look! Yeah, I still wanted to show you how stormy this morning is. Really wakes you up, you know? Yeah. I love it when it's like this. There you go. This next bit I'm recording on my video camera. I'm gonna capture the rain coming in. So you know what it's time for? It's time for a time lapse. So this is the photo I wanted to take as soon as I got here. Granted, I thought the weather would be a bit better, but still, I brought the ATST with me to take this photo, so I'll get more straight on. And here we have it, I finally am taking the photo. And it's falling down. The rain's died down a bit for now. So, we're going to be a bit crazy right now. As you notice, I've got my wetsuit on. Because you see that sea? That's very choppy and looks a little bit dangerous to go in. I'm about to go in with Elliot. So, I don't know how this next part of the vlog is going to go. I'm going to try and film some with it. But I got a feeling it's going to be quite dangerous. Yes, so the rumours are true. I am about to go in there. That is the choppiest I have ever seen this sea. I am not joking. I'm actually getting a bit frightened right now. Ellie's going to come with me. Thank God. Yeah, a little bit scared. Anyway, let's see how I do. So you see that sea down there? That's what I just went in. It was ice cold. And here I am now. I am freezing. Absolutely freezing. Oh, that was worth it. Sort of a once in a lifetime opportunity. Woo! Yes, and that was the sea I was just in. So the weather actually cleared up for a little bit. Believe it or not, I mean, it was still windy, but it wasn't raining. I mean, it's not raining right now. Look, it's not raining. And yet, there's a holiday place again, and yet, We can see rain coming in the distance. That is rain, people. That is rain. That is what rain looks like coming in from the distance. It's still going down there to take some photos because why not? Right, so I am down at the beach once again, and the funny thing was, coming down, I walked past my mum and my brother on that path, and my mum said, "Oh, it's not as stormy as it was earlier." I think it is. I think it is still stormy. Anyway, I don't know if it's quite as stormy as it was when I went in. Actually, it might be even stormy. I can't tell. You decide. But as of right now, it's still pretty stormy with the rain coming back in. And I am going to take some more photos. Hey. Oh boy, I do love it when it's like this. I love the wind because it's so atmospheric in the wind. Everything is better in the wind. Loving this windy and rainy weather. Right, so I'm going to test something right now. Probably shouldn't test. So you see this Lego boat? I took it out of the sea earlier this holiday when the sea was less, well, when the sea wasn't like this. I took this boat out on the sea, took it back up to the house, and it just broke into pieces. But right now, I'm going to put it on this river that I pointed out earlier this holiday. So let's see what happens, and hopefully I don't drop my phone as I'm doing this. I'm already going under the water again there. I don't want to be doing that. But I don't know how this is going to work. It might end up horribly, but oh well. This only costs like 14 quid. And if you know Lego, that's cheap for Lego. Okay. There is the top of the river. Actually, yeah, let's do it from the top. Oh Christ. This is not easy. Right, come on, let's go. And well, it got far. Go again. Go here. Oh, it made it a little more further. Go again here. And now, again. Go, go, go. Okay, it's still going. You can still see it over there. Oh, stopped a little bit. Don't worry, I'm going to pick it up in a sec. Right, it's going to go. Let's see how okay, didn't think that would happen. Last try doing it down this river. Let's go. Okay, it stopped a little bit. Oh, it's moving a bit. Still, kind of, not really. Okay. Get it down this bit, come on. Nope, get it down this bit. Come on, move! Flipping rocks. One more go. Get all the water out of it. One more go. Come on. Right, this isn't going anywhere. One more thought. Just floating in there. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Oh, it's going. Oh, it's going. Oh, it stopped though. It was that close to sea and it stopped. So, didn't do badly. With my assistance, it got from there to there. Got an idea. It might end horribly, but it's an idea. So, the idea is to put this boat on here and see what happens. So I'm gonna get out of the way. Okay, nothing happened that time. I thought something might, but nothing did. But the waiting is the hardest part. Tired of waiting for you. Come on. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. Come on. There's something going to happen. Right, this might be it. Nope, got close that time, but I'm gonna give it 3 more waves. Right, come on. Oh, close at that time. Nah, I won't do that one. Come on, come on. Oh, closer. Closer, closer, closer. This one, maybe. Yeah, this is gonna be it. Oh, and it's gone. Oh, it's just come straight towards me. Oh, wait. It's still there, though. That's what happens now. Come straight towards me. Can't get away from me. It did well, this boat. It did well. 14 quid. Ain't bad. During this holiday, I built a
new Lego boat, and I don't know if this one floats or not. Not entirely sure, but there's a minifigure in it, and I'm gonna put it in the sea. Well, not really. I'm gonna put it in some water. Let's see if it floats. Kind of does. Let's put it in this bit of water. I'm gonna quickly do it because I can see the seas coming back in. Oh. Well, this might be it. Flipping it. If it gets taken away, my own doing. Close, close, close. Bloody hell. And it survived! It survived the sea! Where's it going? He did better than the boats. Getting different versions of the same thing. It's Chewie and Chief Tarful, which only features in the third Star Wars movie, Revenge of the Sith. And that's the original Chewie figure from 1977 when the first Star Wars movie released. And there you got Lego Chief Tarful, so he's a counterpart to him. And you have Lego Chewie, which is the counterpart to, well, if you don't know who Chewie is, I pity you. Anyway, there you go. Comparing different versions of the same thing. Here we have the Fellowship of the Ring. This is the Fellowship we see in the first Lord of the Rings film. So that's, if I get this right, Merry, Frodo, Sam, Pippin, Gimli, Legolas, Aragorn, Boromir, and Gandalf the Grey. So, there we have the Fellowship. Now, in my last holiday vlog, I wasn't able to get them all in the same film because of how windy it is. Because how windy it was, sorry, the last holiday place. And it's still very windy today, but I'm in a bit of shade because I'm covered by these rocks. So, I was able to get this photo. Woo! Finally got the photo of all the Fellowship, all the updated versions of the Fellowship, because these Lego minifigures are all from this year, from 2023. And behind me you can see all the rocks that I had to climb over to take this photo. Just look at them all. Loads of rocks. And the sea is still coming in. Anyway, there's the Fellowship of the Ring. Here is my Funko Pop photo of the day. This R2 unit, forgot what it's called now, an R2-D2 from A New Hope. I was planning to take this photo on a bit of sand, but there's no sand about. Flipping out, the sea's getting close. Because, well, I was planning to take on this photo on sand because, look, you can see they're a bit sandy in their colour. But I decided not to in the end, and I like the background here because of all the waves. And these two pops are Star Wars Celebration exclusives. Flipping heck, the sea's getting close. Whoa, it's gone up to my ankles. Okay, there you go. These two Funko Pops are Star Wars Celebration exclusives. And there you have our Funko Pop photo of the day. Look at all these rocks that I'm climbing over. Look at that, it's like its own mini cave. It's quite incredible, this part of the beach. Anyway. So this is the final time in this holiday vlog that I'm going to try and recreate my favourite scene from one of my favourite movies. And in this, I'm trying to recreate the end of Jurassic Park with some, you know, with some liberties. So, Jeff Goldblum with his shirt undone on the Jurassic Park Jeep, ready to leave. We got Hammond, which that was character there. on the original Jurassic Park car. Then we have Grant and Ellie, Laura Dern and Sam Neill's characters at the front, and we have the Jurassic Park Centre there. So we go around the back of it here, and I did build this yesterday and show it off, but I didn't show it off with me talking, so I'm going to go through the set a little bit out here now. We have Dr. Henry Wu back here doing the dino eggs. So you got the 2 dino eggs there. Got the computer back there as well, and you got the mosquito trapped in the what's the liquid called? I forgot what it's called now. But anyway, you've got that there with Dr. Henry Wu, and then if you come around here, we have the T-Rex scene from the end of the film. So we've got 2 velociraptors there, got 2 velociraptors there, with the T-Rex there, with the banner in the background when dinosaurs ruled the earth, and we got the T-Rex skeleton there. Also, we got Samuel Jackson's character back there. Didn't really know where to put him, but you know, he's there. And yeah, we have the dinosaur skeleton and the T-Rex and 2 velociraptors, kind of recreating the end of the first Jurassic Park film. Then if we go around here, we have Timmy and Lex enjoying some sugary foods, and we have the velociraptor waiting for them as they're doing so. I just realised I knocked some stuff down, it's going to be that to the side. We've got the velociraptor waiting for them there, so that's just before the kitchen scene if anyone remembers. And if we go around here, we get back at the front, at the centre, and you can see the jeeps are ready to escape. And that is Jurassic Park Centre there as well. And that is me trying to recreate the final scene, or the climactic scenes from the first Jurassic Park movie. Don't know how well it succeeded, but there you go.
A bit later in the day now, wind has picked up again. You can see the sea is still very wild in the background, or you could just then. And now we're going to the top of that hill. So, without further ado, let's get up there and let's see what the view is like from up there, shall we? And that is where we are going. That is the view up the hill from the holiday place. So just down there, that is the holiday place we are staying at, and I am all the way up here. That is the view. So that's the Long Beach, what I called Sand Dune Beach, which we went on yesterday. That's the beach we used to go on a lot as a family when I was younger. That's the beach I was on by myself yesterday. And I didn't go on Sand Dune Beach yesterday. I went on that beach on the first day. That beach I was on yesterday by myself. That beach is where most visitors go. And just down there is the beach I was on earlier today. And that is the view of Lockley Bay, if you want to call it that, from up the hill. Here's a view from back down at the holiday place. There's a window into the inside of the living room. That's the Rocky Bay, which you can see from the garden of the holiday place. Just down there is the sand, which I was playing about with my remote control car on yesterday. And just up there is where we just were. And now, all the way back down here, we're going on one last walk along the beach. You can see that the sun is kind of coming out. I don't know if I'd say the sun's coming out, but it's getting a bit brighter and more colourful, you know. Anyway, we're going on one last walk. The camera doing a time lapse there, and I don't know where the walk's going to take me, but Not unlike my last holiday vlog, I'm beginning to feel a bit worn out right now. Without further ado, let's get on this final walk where they've gone. All the way over there.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Come on, Elliot. Ba ba ba. Ba ba. Da da da. Oh bloody hell! Oh, lots of sand came off that. I went in my face. Just starting this walk, and you can see how far the tide has gone out compared to earlier. This is the same place that I came down to go swimming earlier, and when I took some photos, and now the tide has gone out, and you can see how far it's gone out as well. And I'll tell you what, I've seen it go out even further before. How about that? The sun is coming out on our final day. It's not come out much, but it has come out a little. Oh, and now it's going in again. Going behind the hill as we continue along another stormy walk. Here I am at the end of the longest beach here, at the end of Sand Dune Beach. You can see the sand dune up there in the background. And here I am at the end of the beach. Now, usually you can walk out a bit more, but because how wild this sea is today, you can't really do that. Beautiful colours though. Look at the way the sky and the sea look today. This is about as stormy I've ever seen this part of the beach. I mean, incredible. I mean, it really is though. Like, that wasn't sarcastic or anything. Absolutely incredible. Walking over to Dinosaur Island from this side this time. Last time I did it from that side. Now I'm doing it from here. Time to take my final photo with my figures. And my final toy photo for this holiday vlog is of course R2 and 3PO. C3PO and R2D2. If you can actually get them to stand up. Come on! Because of this wind it's more difficult. I suppose that's the fun of it all, isn't it? Come on. Come on, stay up. Won't you please just stay up? Oh, God. I'm still up. Oh, almost. Right, come on. I want to get you to stay up. Even if it's the last thing I do. Well, I've got them to stay up. Yay! I finally did it. Good, good, good. Right, time to take some photos. There you go. Photos being taken. And there you have. No! People fell over, but I was about to say, there you have the final toy photo of this holiday vlog. Oh, not a bad photo to end with either. And he's just fallen over again. R2 and 3PO on another beach. And if you remember, this happened in my last series of holiday vlogs. And this is how I'll end the toy photos on this holiday vlog. Ooh, just look at those colours. Incredible. Wow. Something else timing on this beach, and it's stormy. I am not done with this remote control car, so I've got my underwater camera inside the car, so you can get a point of view shots from inside the car. Let's see how well it does. And follow it out. Hey! going to do on the water? Maybe it doesn't work. Oh, it's still going. Even so it's on water, it's still going, people. Come on. Going to make it over the wet sand. Is he going to make it? It's still going. But I didn't make it over. Oh, it's still going. Go fast, it's going, and the sand's wet.
Should have gone to put new batteries in.
See the sun setting over there. What a nice sunset, by the way, especially for a very stormy day. But also, apparently there's some seals on the rocks. Now I can't see them. Oh, they're there. It's the white thing, I think. Yeah, they're the white things. The camera doesn't pick them up. But there's some white, greyish lines on the rocks. And it's them. Now the camera doesn't pick it up well, but I don't think it helps as the sunset going on just up there. But there are seals out there. That's the point I'm making. There are seals out there. And Elliot's over there with the remote control car. Walking back now. What a nice sunset. So I stopped playing with the car, but Elliot continued to play with the car. And it's not doing badly, considering it was only like a 20 quid car, remote control car. It does well on these surfaces. And look at all the pieces of shells there. Here's a 360 view of what I like to call Sand Dune Beach. The longest beach at Walkley Bay, if you want to call it that. That, by the way, over there is why we call it Sand Dune Beach, because we used to go down that sand dune all the time when we were younger. Now it's just a big, where it's a cliff. But there's also sand dunes over there, and maybe we'll get to the sand dunes in a future vlog. I just don't think we're going to get to them today. Anyway, there it is, Sand Dune Beach. There's the headland I kept pointing out throughout this vlog. And now we're going back over. We're heading back. And here's another look at the other beaches one last time in this vlog. Right, so we have to walk round that rock and through the sea. So my wellies are full of water and I'm squelching like mad. But this is the beach I was on yesterday, and here's one final look at it. And there's a bird up there as well. You see the two biggest rocks up there? Those are the rocks I was at yesterday when I was taking photos of my figures and other photos and whatnot. And now those rocks are slightly exposed because of how much it has been windy over the night. And you can see the sand is actually at a certain point up there now. Look, it's almost like another ledge of sand. And you can see the bottom of the rock, which you couldn't yesterday. That's how windy it's been this week. Anyway, those were the rocks I was on yesterday. And continuing on this beach until we get to the next beach. Oh yeah. Getting close to the end of this beach now, and here's one last look at it. One last look at it for this holiday vlog. Now, let's get I can't even speak. Let's get to the next mini beach of this huge beach, if you know what I mean. This is the penultimate beach that we've got to walk over before I get back, and this is the beach we like to call Main Beach because it's the beach that has the most tourists. And whenever anybody comes around to this area, they go on this beach, and it's because there's a walkway over there, and there's also a bridge over there, which I'm not going to go on in this vlog, but I have gone over in the past in holiday video compilations. And yeah, this is the second to last beach we walk over before we get back. The beach we like to call Main Beach because it's basically touristy beach. That's essentially what it is. Although I kind of spoke about this beach negatively just then, you can see why it gets a lot of tourists. It is one long beach. I mean, connected to a much larger beach, but this, I can see why tourists come to it. And also, there is an easy way to get down here compared to the other beaches. Like, the other beaches I just walked on were not easy to get down to. You have to walk out a bit or walk down a bit to get to them. This one, not so much. Anyway, right, so this is the beach right down from the holiday cottage. Just walked along all those beaches. You can't even see them anymore because how dark it's getting. About 7:30 in the evening right now. And we're on the final beach. And my wellies are full of water. Right, so this is the amount of water that was in my wellies. One sec. And let's see how much is in the other welly. There's loads. Every holiday we build sandcastles and we wait for the sea to capture the sandcastles. I don't know if we're going to wait for the sea today because of how the dark is getting. It's pretty much dusk right now. And you can see my remote control car going about because Elliot's controlling it. But that's my castle that I just built. That's Elliot's castle. And over there, Joe's building his. Yes, that's my sandcastle that I just built with my bare hands. No, I didn't. I built it with the spade. Mom just did 10 mini sandcastles. Just 10 mini sandcastles. Here's one last look at the beach at dusk. There are sandcastles. Elliot's building on his. There's Mum's 10 mini sandcastles, Joe's sandcastle, and there's my sandcastle over there. There it is. Brockley Beach. And now we get back up to the house and say my goodbyes up there. I'm back up at the holiday place now, and well, this is my goodbye. Thank you as always for watching, and I hope you did enjoy this holiday vlog and all the stuff I did in this holiday vlog. I'm very worn out now, so I'm going to say goodbye, and thank you as always for watching. And if you did enjoy this holiday vlog, there should also be some other vlogs that you can check out on the channel and indulge yourself into. But for now, I'm going to say goodbye on this one, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. But bye for now. But just before I go, here's a little wind down for the end of this holiday vlog.